Alright, here we go with the install on this axle. I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the spindle first. And I did struggle getting the rear portion in there. I don't know why. I feel as though I might have not started at the correct angle and then just had to struggle a little bit here and there, but you'll see what I'm talking about right now. See, so I was trying to use the pry bar just to get some leverage to push it forward past the studded portion. And after a little bit of playing with it, I finally got it in. But I was also trying to be as gentle as possible to not damage anything. But see, we started making progress right here. The hammer portion was a little tricky. Just try not to be too hard on that rear cover because there is grease in there. And it finally gave in, so here we go. Ta-da! Alright, let's get that bad boy in there. There, I finally have enough room and that can sit on there. Now let's go ahead and grab those 6 nuts and get them on there. Here we go. So basically I'm going to get them all on there, fasten them a little bit, and then tighten them. And just go around twice, just to make sure that everything's on there securely. I really wish there was enough space to use a regular socket, but if I remember correctly, the angle that a regular socket would sit at, the axle boot interferes, so the swivel sockets are a little bit more helpful, when it's not moving and just kind of staying straight. But that was the only downside to using the swivel sockets. It'd be nice if they had a locking position, but maybe at some point we'll get something like that. And right there I really should have just tightened up the other one without rotating the actual axle, but oh well. Alright, that's that. We've gone over it twice. Just go ahead and double check that everything's on so nothing gets left loose. And once you test drive it, you can go ahead and recheck it again. So that's on. Now I'm going to get this front bolt. It really doesn't need to go on there that tight. So that's the nice part. And definitely don't go too crazy on this. See, that's that. Here comes the cover. You can go ahead and add grease if you'd like, but that guy was pretty well lubricated, so I just left it that way. Although I wouldn't want to do wheel bearings on this thing. Looks a little tedious. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel as though the install was more straightforward. However, I didn't show the installation of the shock that we removed earlier. So don't forget about that. Obviously you'll see it. And it's a straightforward job. So good luck with the endeavor. Thanks for watching.